everyone, and welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today is the first day that you can start nominating people for the Miss Haven's YouTube Craft Awards for 2020. I am so excited and I'm just full of happiness because it's going to be such a fun thing, this. I really hope that all of you will come together and nominate the people that you believe are worthy for this award, and that we can share the joy and happiness that scrapbooking and card making and mixed media brings with itself. It's going to be really fun hosting this, and I hope that I can find out a lot more about Facebook pages, about Instagram pages, about blog websites and YouTube channels that I might not have heard about, but that I, after this award, will definitely check out. So, there is going to be some changes in this award from other awards that has been around on YouTube, and I've already mentioned a few of these already. And the changes for this year is that we are going to include more social media platforms. I want people to find out more about different blogs, Facebook pages, Instagram pages, and YouTube channels, of course, that has anything to do with scrapbooking, card making, or mixed media. So, there are 3 stages to this award, and the 3 stages are these. The first stage is the nomination stage, and it starts on the 9th of January 2020, which is today, and it continues up until the 18th of January 2020. All of the nominations goes through something called Google Forms, which will be available in the description box, a link to the Google form where you can nominate an individual for each category. On the 18th of January, I will go through all of the nominations and pick out the ones that have received the most people nominating them. On the 19th of January, I will be releasing a second video in this YouTube Craft Awards 2020 series, showcasing and listing all of the people that have been taken on to stage 2. And it is also the start date when you can start voting through Google Forms once again. So on that video there will be a link to a new Google form where you can vote for everyone that has been taken on to stage 2. The voting will then be done up until the 25th of January 2020, which is the cutoff date, and you have time to vote on the person or the individual that you want to win in each category. On the 25th, I will then go through all of the votes and see who has got the most votes, and on the 26th of January 2020, I will release the winners and you will know who has won in each category. Your next question might then be, okay, so if you win this YouTube Craft Awards for 2020, what do you actually get? And I am going to tell you this. Number 1, you get exposure, because a lot more people will hear about you, see your channel, see your Instagram page, and get to know you as the winner. You will also get a trophy. And this trophy is not only going to display your name, but it's also going to display what category you won in. So it's going to be something that you can display in your craft room, something that you can show on your YouTube channel, on your Instagram page. I mean, I would take a million pictures with that trophy because that would be really cool. So, let's talk about categories, because there's not going to be a ton of categories, but they are going to be great categories to win in. So there's going to be 6 categories, And the first category is going to be the most inspiring YouTube channel. So it's the channel you always turn to for crafty inspiration. Nominate one YouTube channel that you feel is worthy of winning this category. The second category is YouTube newbie. And that means a crafty channel that has caught your attention, that are relatively new to YouTube, that don't really have a ton of subscribers, but you feel like their talent and how they make their YouTube videos are great. So nominate someone in that category for the YouTube newbie award. And then we've got the third category, which is the most inspiring blog. This is the website you always turn for crafty inspiration. So everything crafty, they've got nice pictures, they've got nice readable text, tutorials, you name it, an inspiring blog that you love. And then the fourth category is the most inspiring Instagram page. This is a page that you always turn for crafty tutorials, for lovely photos, for amazing stories. An Instagram page that you just really, really, really love. The fifth category is your favorite craft company, and this can be a big company like Prima, or it can be a less well-known craft company that you want the world to know about, that you feel they have amazing products and you just want to share about that company to the rest of the world, to everyone watching this award. The sixth and the last category is the most inspiring Facebook page. This is a Facebook page which has a lot of crafty inspiration, crafty photos from different people. It could be a group that is only focused on one company, or it could be a group that is focused on different companies. And this is a perfect way to nominate a Facebook page to let more people know about it. And I think this is what makes this award so fun. Is if you know a company that a lot of people haven't heard about, get together your friends and vote for it. Or you want to bring forward an Instagram page, a blog. It's just going to be really, really fun. And I hope that you take the time to look through your subscriptions and all your pages you follow and blogs, and nominate the ones that you feel is worthy of winning this award and winning the category. And that is all of the information about the Miss Haven's YouTube Craft Awards for 2020. I really hope that you will start nominating from today's date. And if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to comment that below. And if you're also going to vote, tell me in the comments that you're going to vote, and share about this award as well, so more people can get to know about it and vote for their favorite company and for their favorite individual. It's going to be really, really fun, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.